Today, I'll show you how to read every candle in Quotex. Candlestick charts help you understand how price moves during a selected time period. Each candle shows four important prices: the open, the high, the low, and the close. First, open Quotex and choose the asset you want to analyze. Now switch your chart type to candles if it is not already selected. Next, choose your time frame. For example, a 1-minute candle shows price movement during 1 minute, while a 5-minute candle shows price movement during 5 minutes. Now look at one candle. The thick part is called the body. It shows the difference between the opening price and the closing price. If the candle is green, price closed higher than it opened. This usually shows buying pressure. If the candle is red, price closed lower than it opened. This usually shows selling pressure. The thin lines above and below the body are called wicks or shadows. The upper wick shows how high price went before pulling back. The lower wick shows how low price went before moving back up. A candle with a big body shows strong movement in one direction. A candle with a small body shows hesitation or weak momentum. A long lower wick can mean buyers rejected lower prices. A long upper wick can mean sellers rejected higher prices. But do not read one candle alone. Always compare it with the candles before it. For example, several strong green candles may show an uptrend, while several strong red candles may show a downtrend. If candles become smaller, near support or resistance, the market may be slowing down. If a strong candle breaks through a key level, it may show momentum in that direction. Before placing a trade, check the trend, support, and resistance, and recent candle behavior together. And that's it. You now know how to read every candle in Quotex. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.